The third lesson is Pitraputrayoho Prema, the love between a father and a son here. This is from Harsha Charitam, sorry. Oh, I forgot to include that Mangala Shloka. Just let me check what is the Mangala Shlokam for that. Okay, this is the... have I shared the text? Okay, this is the text. Yeah. Namastunga Shiraschumbi Chandra Chamara Charave Trailokya Nagararambha Moolastambhaya Shambhave Harakantha Grahananda Meelitakshim Namamya Umam Kalakuta Vishasparsha Jata Murchagamam Iva. This is two shlokas. First one is Namah Shambhave, Shambhu. So Namaskara to Shambhu, Shiva here. The second one is Umam Namami. So Kanta Atra Kalakuta Vishasparsha Jatamurcha Gamam Iva Umam Namami. Namami Umam. So two things. So first one is Shiva, Shiva Shakti Namaskaraha. So Tunga Shiras Chumbi Chandra Chamara Charave. He has this Chandra on his head, which is like a chamaram, and it is very beautiful. Shambhu who looks beautiful because there is a chamara. The Chandra Kiranam is like a chamara that flows from his head. Charu. He is also looking very beautiful, very attractive. Shiva, who is very attractive with the chamaram, with the and the chauri madri cholralya, the chamaram, which is Chandra, that is Chumbi, that is kissing his head here, which is high on top. So Tunga Shiras Chumbi Chandra, which is touching his head, and the Kiranam is like a chamaram. So constantly there is one chamaram for Shiva here, royalty then. Trailokya Nagara Arambha Moolastambhaya. He is the Moolastambham. Arunachaleshwara, where he is the Agnistambha. He stands as a pillar of fire. So he is the Moolastambham. He is the source pillar for the beginning of the all three worlds. Trailokyam eva nagaram. Tasya nagara arambasya Moolastambha ityukte foundation stone. So he is like the Shambhu, Shiva is like the foundation stone for this and all three worlds to stand on, which is like a Nagaram, city. Anga actually, if you, when they have done carbon dating for the Arunachala mountain, the Deccan Plateau is supposed to be older than the Himalayas. So it is the Moola Stambha only there. Now the next shloka is Namami Umam. How is she? Hara Kantagraha Ananda Meelitakshim. Uma is embracing Parameshwara here. Hara Kantagraha. Because of that, Anandena, with bliss, she has closed her eyes here. She's Anubhavikrada. Yeah? So she's experiencing the bliss of embracing Shiva. Kalakuta Vishasparsha Jata Murchagamam Iva. Kanthe eva Kalakuta Visham Vartate. So the moment you touch poison, you immediately faint. It is as if she has fainted because of touching the poison on his neck when she is embracing him on his neck. Imagine the creativity of this poet. Annalda he is able to write Kadambari and Harsha Charitam. Two exemplar works. When you think of Gadya works, the first thing that always comes to anybody's mind is Harsha Charitam and this. If he had written a Kavyam, imagine how it would have been. Just the Mangala Shloka itself is so beautiful.
It is not Kavyam, Harsha Charitam and...
Padya Kavyam illiyollo. It's not a Padya Kavyam. It is a Gadya Kavyam. Athik solra. Full shlokama ezhirundha eppadi irukum.
A beautiful picture of befitting Sringara basically. Sringara, and but that element of Kalakuta Vishasparsha Jata, it brings a discordant note mari konjam thonradhu.
Adu it is as if ngra avladha. Murcha can be both for Shringaram. Shakti is she touched it and so she stopped it from burning the entire world inside his stomach. இல்லையா? so she can touch, அது பத்தி இல்ல. She has that power, she won't die, there is no விபரீதம் here. அதுதான் அங்க பெஸ்ட் இல்ல.
Kadambari I have read a little bit, but Harsacharitam I have not read. So it's on the same standard, same level.
Oh yes, of course. அது ஃபிஃப்த் உச்வாசால இருந்து தான் we have this section. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 வந்து it is about Banabhatta's சரிதம். So it is written by Banabhatta himself. It's like an autobiography that he has written in the first 3 uchvasas about his own lineage and all that, and how he goes to the darbar of Harshavardhana and presents this Harsha Charitam to him and all that. And then he starts reading. Just like in Valmiki Ramayanam, the way, you know, how Lavakusha come and Rama asks them to come, and both of them talk about the story of Rama, and Valmiki Ramayanam starts, right? That's how we see it. So the same way here also Banabhatta comes to the darbar of Harsha, and he starts this Harsha Charitam. In the 4th Uchvasa you find the birth of Rajyavardhana, Harshavardhana and Rajyashri is a daughter. Rajyashri gets married also until the end of the 4th Uchvasa. The 5th Uchvasa starts with Rajyavardhana going to fight the Hunas. They are a set of people who come and attack the kingdom, and he goes to fight them. Actually he gets killed in the war ultimately, but that is not described here. And Harsha also leaves to go, and generally he goes for Mrigaya, for hunting. At that time he receives a letter, and then we'll see what happens. So that is where this story starts. Our Gadya Bhagam starts from the part where Harshavardhana has gone for Mrigaya. He is gone, and in the early morning he sees one swapna. Okay.
So this use of the term uchvasa, which can mean either or mooch, or breath which goes outside, or a ulmuch, right? Which a breath, it can mean either of them. But it's such a brilliant word for a chapter, as if the Kavi has breathing out, his or exhaling his creativity, or like,
for him it's as easy as Shwasa.
As Shwasa, yeah. Yeah, so it's I mean it's such a nice way of naming a chapter. But it's probably the first
Kavya Prakasham paathelna naming of the chapters are Ullasa. Happiness. Happy, and you understand how to become happy by reading Sahityam. So you know the rules of the Sahityam to understand that.
And also Lasati iti lasdatu, to shine. Kavya Prakasha Lasati, like, you know, I found that amazing. But this is also so beautiful, Uchvasa. You know, just exhalation or poem, or gadyam, or chapter, in one breath.
Right. Ekadatu Harshaha Vasateyaha Turiye Yame Pratyushasi eva Swapne Chatula Jwala Pinjarikrita Sakala Kakubha Durnivarena Dava Hutabhuja Dakhyamanam Kesarinam Adrakshit. Prataswapnaha becomes true, right? In the Magadha Malavesha Shauryam also we saw how the wife sees a swapnam in the Ushakkala. The same way here also it starts off with the Ushakkala swapnam. Ekada Harshaha, once Harsha, Vasateyaha Turiye Yame, in the final Yama, that is the 4th section of the night. Vasateyi is Ratri. So Turiye Yame, the 4th Jama, or the last final section of the night. During that time, Pratyushasi eva, during, that is Suryodayat Purvam, Pratyushasi. Pratyushas is early in the dawn itself. During the dawn, Swapne, in a dream, he saw Kesarinam Adrakshite, he saw a lion which was Dakhyamanam, which was burning in a forest fire. Dava Huta Bhuja. Dava Hutabuja Dahyamanam Kesarinam Adrakshit. He saw a lion which was being burnt by the forest fire, which was difficult to stop. Durnivarena Dava Hutabuja. Dava is Vanam, Aranyam. Dava Hutabuk is Vanavanni. Durnivarena Dava Hutabuja, which was Pinjari Krita Sakala Kakubha. All the directions. So this is an adjective to Hutabuk. So Hutabhuja, this is also in Tritiya Vibhakti. So Kakub is the Pratipadikam. Kakubha is in Tritiya Vibhakti. So Sakala Kakubhaha, Sakalaha Kakubaha, Pinjari Kritaha Vartante Vannina. So all of the directions are being made yellow or tawny by the Chatula Jwala Punja. By the Chatulam is Chanchalam, by the moving or very fickle, unsteady flames, groups of flames that are making the all of the directions completely or madri brownish, golden brownish in color, golden color. So there is this lion which is also Kesari. Kesari means that which has a very golden mane. So there is a golden fire also. It is making the directions also golden. Whereas this lion is just burning there in that fire. ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும்ல.
இந்த
பயங்கரமா இருக்கு.
நீங்க வந்து yellowன்னு சொல்றீங்க, but could it be that the Agni has made all the directions as a cage for that lion? Encaged that lion and surrounded it அப்படின்னா
பிஞ்சரீகிருத சகல ககுபா எப்படி வரும்? ஓ, ஃபார் த கேசரியா?
for the kesari,
that which has completely imprisoned all the directions னு வருதா?
burning on all directions, all sides.
போடலாம்.
That it can't escape from the fire, that it has been imprisoned.
It can't
Like
escape the
it has been imprisoned by
the fire.
By the fire. But it has been imprisoned னு வராதே, அதுதான்.
Correct.
பிஞ்சரீகிருத அபிஞ்சரம் பிஞ்சரம் கிருதம். What has been made a cage? All directions have been made a cage னா எல்லா டிரெக்ஷன்லயும் அதால போக முடியும்ல அப்போ.
அக்னி அங்க எல்லா டைரக்ஷன்ஸ் அக்னி இருக்கு. அக்னி அங்க இருக்கு. Because it is there, it has made all the kakub into a cage.
அப்போ which means essentially it can go into that direction இல்லையா? And it is imprisoned.
Room to move.
அதுக்கு இல்ல, ரூம் டு மூவ்ங்கிறதுக்காக நான் சொல்ல, எல்லா இடத்துலயும் சுத்த முடியணுமே அதுக்கு. அப்போ
இருக்கு எல்லா இடத்துலயும் surrounding it, right? Surrounding the line.
இது வந்து because the Anvaya cannot go to the lion, நான் அதுக்காக யோசிக்கிறேன்.
வந்து பிஞ்சரின்னு சொன்னப்போ கேஜ் தான் வந்தது. இந்த yellow கலர் அசோசியேஷன் எனக்கு அவ்வளோ இல்ல.
கரெக்ட், நீங்க சொல்றது ரைட்டு. ஆனா அதுல என்ன ஆகும்னா இது வரலையேங்கிற, you know that
Contextual meaning.
இல்ல அன்வயம். how will you do the anvaya for the kesari eva tatra pinjarikritah iti katham bhavitavyam?
Correct.
That meaning cannot come, no?
Correct.
ககுபம் பிஞ்சர ரூபேன பரிவர்த்திதம்.
ஓகே, இருக்கட்டும். அப்ப டைரக்ஷன் எல்லாமே கேஜ் ஆயிடுதுன்னா எல்லா டைரக்ஷன்ஸ்லயும் அது போக முடியும் தானே அர்த்தம்? எல்லா டைரக்ஷன்ஸுமே அதோட கேஜா ஆயிடுதே. அப்படி இல்லையே இங்க
கேஜா மாத்திடுச்சு அப்படின்னா அக்னி அங்க இருந்து கேஜா மாத்திடுச்சு.
சரி
ஓகே போடுங்க.
சரி போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஆனா எனக்கு அது வந்து கொஞ்சம் சரி வரல. I prefer this meaning.
So this is beautiful because I had not thought of the yellow. So it's made yellow. All directions are made yellow, which means it is surrounding all directions.
It is surrounding all directions. That is true. But கேஜா மாத்திடுத்துன்னு சொல்றச்சே ஒரு தவிப்பு சொல்றேன். ஆனா பிஞ்சரித்த கேசரினம்னு வந்ததுன்னா இன்னும் அழகா இருக்கும். So Davahuta Bhuja Pinjaritam Dahyamanam Kesarinam Adrakshit. Do you get it? Appadi illiyengre. That's what it is. Okay. Adrakshit, he saw such a lion. Tasminneva Dava Dahane. So Dava Vanam. Dava Vannihi. Vanamanni. Okay. Davagni or Davaha is the fire. So Dava Dahane Samutsrijya Shavakan Utplutya Cha Atmanam Patayantim Simhim Apashyat. So he also saw a simhi, a lioness jumping into that fire, leaving behind her இது வந்து எப்படின்னா ஷாவகானு சமுத்ஸ்ருஜ்ய, leaving behind her cubs, ஷாவகானு, her young ones. தாவ தஹனே உத்ப்ளுத்ய Atmanam Patayantim Simhim Apashyat. Jumping into the forest fire, he saw a simhi, a lioness, which was doing a suicide, jumping into that, leaving the young ones, plunging herself into it. Atmanam Patayantim. Yeah. Asitcha Asya Manasi Chetasi. And in his mind, the following thing was there in his mind. As soon as he saw this swapnam, this was there in his mind. He after that only he woke up. As he was saying, sometimes even during the swapnam, there can be thoughts like a sakshi. Yeah. So in his mind, he was thinking this manner. Lokehi lohebhyaha katinataraha khalu snehamayaha bandhanapashaha yadakrishtaha tiryanchaha api evam acharanti iti. It's actually an indication of what is going to happen later. Loke, in this world, bandhanapashaha, snehamayaha bandhanapashaha, the chains, cords of affection, snehamayaha bandhanapashaha. Pasham, the pasham which is bandhanam, which ties you and which is of the form of sneham. So it is a affection. Katinataraha khalu. It is extremely difficult. Katinam is, it is indeed harder. Katinataraha. So it is harder than lohebhyaha, than metal chains. So even if you tie by metal chain, you can probably break out and come. But if you are tied by sneham, it is even more difficult. So a lion is burning, and this simhi drops it is so much in love with this lion that the lioness jumps into the fire, and it pushes the cubs away. Okay, so Harsha reflects. He says, Loke, in this world, lohebhyaha katinataraha khalu snehamayaha bandhanapashaha. The cords of affection are even more harder than metal. Yad akrishtaha, being pulled by it, being pulled by such affectionate cords, tiryanchaha api, even animals, evam acharanti. They seem to behave in this manner. Iti. Prabuddhasya cha asya. He then wakes up. As he wakes up, muhurmuhu dakshinetara akshi paspande. Akshi, his eye, which is dakshina itaram. Vamakshi. Vamakshi spandanam is left eye, the throbbing of the left eye is bad omen. So prabuddhasya cha asya vamakshi muhurmuhu paspande, the left eye of his kept on throbbing again and again. Gatreshu cha akasmadeva vepatuhu vipaprathe. Prathate is actually spreading. So here he takes it as avirabhut. So akasmat, without any information, suddenly or without any cause. Karanam vinaiva gatreshu angeshu vepatuhu kampaha arabdhaha. Nirnimittameva antarbandhasthanat chachalaiva hridayam. It is as if his hridayam, his heart, moved, as if it moved, nirnimittam, without any nimittam, from his antarbandhana sthanat, from his skeletal system, from his rib cage. So here antarbandhanam would be his, something like his rib cage. So the heart seems to move away from its bandhanam, from its bandhanasthanam, from its fixed position, which is there inside the skeletal thing, which is inside him, without any cause. Anhi cha tasmin shunyenaiva chetasa chikrida mrigayam. he played hunting. That is, he gave into that hunting, or he lost all his courage actually. So shunyena chetasa, with an empty mind during the day, anhi tasmin, during that day, chikrida mrigayam, he did that mrigaya, இல்லையா, அதாவது he hunted. ஆரோஹதி ச ஹரிதஹயே மத்யான்னஹா, மத்யம் அன்னஹா, அன்னஹா மத்யம் ஹரிதஹயே ஆரோஹதி சதி. This is one phrase. When Surya, Haritahayah, Surya's horses are supposed to be dark in color and green. மரகதம் போல இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். ஹரிதஹயே, ஹரிதாஹ ஹயாஹ யஸ்ய तादृशः सूर्यः. So सूर्ये अन्नः मध्यम आरोहति सति, दिवसस्य मध्यम, so मध्याह्नं गच्छति सति, when he has gone to the middle portion of the day, which is, it was in the chuttu pushikra veyyallengirom இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி mid of the day. பவனம் ஆகத்ய உபயதः மந்தமந்தம் சம்பாஹ்யமான தனுதால விருந்தः. பவனம் ஆகத்ய, he comes back to his place. That is, Bhavanam here can be, so they could, there will be a hunting palace, or a makeshift palace kind of tent can also be made, or it can be a palace itself with the hunting grounds nearby. So after hunting, he comes back to the palace. Ubhayataha, on both of his sides, mandam mandam, slowly, samvahyamana tanu tala vrintaha, மெல்லிசாங்கர், அதாவது slowly he was, there were two people who were fanning him on both sides here. Light fans, tanu talavranta, palm leaves vechundu, they were doing fanning him. Sambhahyamanaha, sambhahyamana can be, it was being waved beside him. Tadrishaha saha, यः संवाह्यमानः आसीत्, केन, तनु तालुवृन्तेन. क्षितितल विततां शिशिर मलयज रस लव लुलित वपुषम् इंदुधवल उपधान धारिणीं वेत्रपट्टिकामधिशयानः साशङ्कः एव तस्थौ. ओके, क्षितितल विततां आतिशिशिर मलयज रस लव लुलित वपुषम इंदुधवल उपधान धारिणीं वेत्रपट्टिकाम अधिशयानः. He was lying down on a cane vetrapattika. He on a cane sofa kind of thing, cane bed, vetrapattika, which was having an upadhana, which had a pillow. Upadhana dharini, upadhanam dharayati iti upadhana dharini pattika. So pattika here refers to a couch, maybe a small day bed kind of thing, which was made of vetra, cane. The cane bed had a pillow that was dhavala, that was white like Indu, like the moon. It also had a body, vapusham, no. Yes. The body of that bed was made extremely cool, atishishiram, because of Malayaja rasa, Chandana rasam. In Malaya mountain there are a lot of sandalwood trees, and the rasam that comes from the tree that is born in the Malaya mountain. Adnala Malayaja Chandana taruhu. Chandana taroho rasam chandanam. So Malayaja rasaha atra chandanameva. So Malayaja rasa lava lulita vapusham. There were chandanam sprinkled everywhere on top of that cane bed. Hence it was atishishiram. It was extremely cool. Kshititala vitatam. It was also spread on the floor. The cushion that was spread on the floor, and it was sprinkled with the cool drops of sandal paste. It also had a pillow that was white like the moon. Adhishayanaha, lying down, harshaha, lying down on this bed. Sashankaha eva tasthau, he was lying down on it a little வித் அன் ஆசங்கா, ஒரு அப்ரஹென்சிவா, ஒரு டவுட்டோடையே, ஒரு பயத்தோட, சம் பேட் நியூஸ் இஸ் கோயிங் டு கம் இது தஸ்ய மனசி, யூ கீப் ஆன் திங்கிங் அபவுட் இட். நோ சம்டைம்ஸ் இட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ். ஸ்வப்னம்
Because
கேன்
of
டூ
the
தட் டு
dream
யூ.
he had in the
எஸ்,
morning.
ஆமா. அண்ட் முகுஹு அக்ஷிஸ்பந்தனம் காத்ரேஷு வேபத்துஹு, ஒரு மாதிரி திடுக்கிட்டுறதுங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் அவனுக்கு ஏற்பட்டது. So his mind
But
எங்கேயோ
Haritahaye Madhyam Anno is like Vibjiyar also, the green is in the middle.
அப்படியா இருக்கலாம். I don't know.
Exactly.
சூரியனுக்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கிறதுனால ஷேடோனால அங்க வருதுன்னு நான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன்.
So basically it's saha tastau, right? Saha.
எஸ், சஹ தஸ்தவ்.
And then the adjective is samvahyamana.
தனுதால விருந்தஹ
Taha, you can say.
அதிசயானஹ சஹ
Ishayanaha.
சாசங்கஹ ஏவ தஸ்தவ்.
Okay. Inga mandam iti ekapadam va, mandam iti dvivaram vaktavyam va.
மந்தமந்தம் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஃபைன்.
That's also fine. Okay.
எஸ்.
Titala vitatam idanim, that goes to upadha, the pillow, right?
நோ,
The cot.
பட்டிகா.
Oh, the cot. Oh.
पट्टिकायाः त्रीणि विशेषणानि क्षितितलवितताम् अतिशिशिरमलयजरस लव लुलित वपुषां. लुलितम् इस् इट् इस् बीन् मिक्स्ड् माद्रि,
Smeared.
स्मियर्ड्. इन्दु धवल उपधान धारिणी.
Okay. So, okay, got it. So that's for the pattikam. Okay.
Yes.
The Simhi jumping into the fire, because this story is Pitruputrayo of Premaha, it is out of affection towards the Shavakan, right?
Not necessary. இது ஏதோ ஒரு ட்ரீம் வருது, அவ்வளவுதான். இட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ அஃபெக்ஷன் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ஷாவகான். எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? இட் இஸ் தி அஃபெக்ஷன் டுவர்ட்ஸ் த கேசரி தட் இஸ் மேக்கிங் ஹர் ஜம்ப் இன்சைட்.
But Shabakan utsrujya.
Utsrujya.
நோ நோ, உத்பிளத்தி அல்ல, ஷாவகானு சமுத்ஸ்ருஜ்ய. அதனால தான் அதை பிராக்கெட் பண்ணி வச்சேன். She didn't want the children to suffer, but she could not live without the lion, so she just falls into the fire. Pitra putrayoho prema will come later. This is just starting of the swapnam, that's all. This has nothing to do with the title.
Utplutya means jumping over them, right? Ullangya. Over the baby lions.
No, dahane utplutya eva tatra. Jumping into the fire and plunging herself. So atmanam patayantim. Both are the same meaning here. There is nothing. Davadahane atmanam patayantim itself would be fine. Utplutya can mean separately jumping and davadahane atmanam patayantim, pushing herself into the fire. அப்படியும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். that way also அன்வயா would work. so take out utplutya tasminneva samaye shavakana samutsrujya utplutya cha, leaving out the cubs, jumping and making herself fall into the fire. Is that clear?
She didn't wait for the fire to reach her, and even before the fire reached her, she just jumped into it.
ஆமா, உங்களுக்கு டவுட் வர்றதெல்லாம் டெக்ஸ்ட்ல இல்ல, கான்செப்ட்ல.
எதுக்கு அந்த குட்டியை விட்டுன்னு போயிடுச்சு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
அது அவுட் ஆஃப் சிலபஸ் டவுட்ஸ் தான் சங்கரிக்கு.
After you explain, after the exam is over, we need 6 months to digest this.
I know. Yeah. It's each word is you need to go over it again and again, no?
Yeah.